Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the Bravia supports the protocol you'll use, Miracast or Chromecast, because compatibility prevents wasted steps. Once done, make sure both TV and your phone or PC are on the same Wi-Fi. Using 5 GHz reduces lag. Next, open the TV's home, go to Settings, then Device Connection or Wireless Display, and enable screen mirroring. This immediate step opens the TV to incoming connections and makes your device discoverable. You'll now initiate the connection from your phone or computer. This is where protocols matter. For Android, open Quick Settings and tap Cast. On Windows, use Project Connect to a wireless display. Select the Bravia's name that appears. If the TV shows a PIN, type it on your source device to pair. Once connected, adjust resolution and audio output in the device's display settings so the image fills the screen and sound routes correctly. Making these tweaks reduces overscan and sync issues during playback. To finish, confirm the content plays smoothly, then stop mirroring from the source device's cast control or from the TV input menu when done. Make sure both the TV firmware and your device OS are up to date, since updates fix compatibility and HDCP issues for protected video. If you run into trouble, your device won't see the TV. Restart the router and both devices, toggle the TV's wireless display setting, and try again. If all else fails, plug an HDMI cable directly for a guaranteed connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.